Hello, welcome back everyone. So now we are going to start studying Unit 4, which is One Act Plays, with the lesson 1, A Matter of Husbands, written by Pering Molnar. So this is an act that sheds light on the basic functions of actors to make the audience believe in illusion. यसमा हामी के पढ्छौँ भने कसरी जुन एक्टरहरू हुन्छ जति पनि एक्टिङ गर्ने कलाकारहरू हुन्छ तिनीहरूले चाहिँ कसरी एउटा इल्युजन बनाउँछ के हाम्रो दिमागमा एन्ड हाउ वी स्टार्ट बिलिभिङ देम इन रियल लाइफ सो यसमाको क्यारेक्टर चाहिँ दुईजना छन् एउटा फेमस एक्ट्रेस एउटा अर्नेस्ट यङ वुमन सो देयर आर टु क्यारेक्टर्स एउटा फेमस एक्ट्रेस एउटा अर्नेस्ट यङ वुमन ती जसले चाहिँ आफ्नो हस्बेन्डको बारेमा कुरा गर्छ एन्ड इट्स अल the story is based on the husband but it revolves around the character of famous actress, how she plays an act and how she convinces अनि कसरी उसले आफ्नो एउटा इल्युजन बनाउँछ सो स्टोरीमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने देयर इज अ वुमन्स हस्बेन्ड द अर्नेस्ट यङ वुमनको हस्बेन्ड हुन्छ हु इज एल्फ्रेड सो एल्फ्रेडलाई चाहिँ कतै पनि यो स्टोरीमा अहिले चाहिँ देखाएको छैन एन्ड इट्स लाइक it's just the conversation between the actress and the woman. तर the conversation is about Alfred. यो कुरा चाहिँ start हुन्छ when there is assumptions about the presence. यो पुरा ड्रामा चाहिँ कन्भर्सेसन नै हो त्यो एक्ट्रेस र त्यो वुमनको बिचमा स्टार्टिङमा चाहिँ त्यो अर्नेस्ट young woman जुन हुन्छ she comes to see the famous actress because she believes that her husband is in love with her. So उसलाई चाहिँ लाग्छ कि उसको husband जो छ Alfred, he is in love with the actress. The woman seems to be angry and she shouts at her to give her husband back to her. And then it goes like कि famous actress ले भन्नुहुन्छ अब woman चाहिँ आउँछ अनि then she starts shouting at the actress and then she goes like you need to give my husband back because he's mine भनेर and then the actress says that she doesn't have any affair with her husband. The actress stands up for herself अनि उसले चाहिँ simply she just says कि I have known him because of he is the lawyer of our manager who is not very tall and wears spectacles. So it's like कि जुन फेमस एक्ट्रेस थियो त्यसको म्यानेजरको चाहिँ लयर छ एल्फ्रेड अनि एक्ट्रेस सेज द्याट म यसरी नै एल्फ्रेडलाई चिन्छु भनेर सी सेज द्याट सी इज नट टेकन her husband from her. She only knows him because he had written the last contract as the theater manager's lawyer Alfred. The famous actressले asks her that उहाँलाई चाहिँ किन लाग्छ that her husband is in love with her. Then she replies that she has read the love letter in front of the actress like एल्फ्रेडले लेखेको एउटा लभ लेटर लिएर आउँछ अनि एक्ट्रेसको अगाडि पढ्छ त्यो यङ वुमनले अनि then the young woman says that the actress is always tricky and concealing because they do their makeup look beautiful, speak witty language written by the authors and make the simple-minded layer fall in love with her. So what she's trying to say is कि actress अनि actorहरू चाहिँ अलिकति fake layerमा हुन्छ किनभने they're like always reading out the scripts and they have a different personality within themselves and for the people they show it to. So त्यसरी नै she might have made Alfred fall in love with her. तर the actressले चाहिँ भन्छ like genuinely she says that she त्यो वुमनको जुन हस्बेन्ड छ like who is Alfred has been playing a little comedy role to make his wife jealous अनि just उसको attention पाउनको लागि चाहिँ he has been doing these things where he where he writes letters. The actress sees that many men, like the authors, composers, directors, designers, lawyers, and even managers, make use of actress in their own ways. And your time as a the layer is used in our own way to make his wife feel jealous to get more love from her. So what the actress is trying to say is कि Alfred he just wants attention. उसलाई चाहिँ आफ्नो वाइफसँग attention चाहिन्छ. त्यही भएर उसले चाहिँ यति कुराहरू प्ले गर्दैछ. इट्स नट एनिथिङ रियल. ही जस्ट वान्ट्स हिज वाइफलाई अलिकति जेलस पार्नु छ. उहाँले भन्नुहुन्छ that her husband is not a simple man but a cunning lawyer who telephones the florist to send the flowers and writes letters just to live on the bed so that his wife becomes jealous by seeing them. अनि त्यसपछि एक्ट्रेसले भन्छ that she has to write even the return letter showing deep passionate love. So finding flowers and love letters doesn't prove their love. So यहाँ चाहिँ एक्ट्रेसले के भन्दैछ भने उसलाई पनि लाइक फेरि एउटा हुन्छ नि यस्तो लेटरहरू लेखेर पठाइदिनु पर्छ. अनि यति कुरा चाहिँ लाइक त्यो फ्लावर लिनु अनि त्यो लेटरहरू चाहिँ इट्स नट इनफ टु प्रुभ द्याट द एक्ट्रेस एन्ड एल्फ्रेड इज इन लभ. त्यसपछि जतिखेर द फेमस एक्ट्रेस इज आर्ग्युइङ यङ वुमन चाहिँ कन्भिन्स भइहाल्छ अनि अलिकति उसले चाहिँ उसको लजिक अनि बुझिहाल्छ अनि सी फिल्स द्याट इट इज हर ओन फल्ट टु सस्पेक्ट हर हस्बेन्ड. लाइक उसलाई अब लाग्छ कि उसकै गल्ती हो. उसले आफ्नो हस्बेन्डमाथि डाउट गर्यो बिकज इज नट लाइक द्याट. The young woman is well satisfied and happy to the actress at the end who had come so angrily in the beginning. After the woman leaves the place, the famous actress calls Alfred to come out from her room because his wife has already gone being fully convinced. So त्यतिखेर चाहिँ त्यो young woman ले बुझिहाल्छ सबै कुरा and then she leaves. She accepts the fact that it's nothing like that. The Alfred and the actress are not having any affair. Then she leaves. Then the famous actress calls Alfred to come out of her room. So basically, the whole time when this conversation was going on, Alfred was present there and they had something in between. So, in this way, your story let's say one actually shows the basic function of the actors to make the ordinary people believe whatever they say or do. Here, the famous actress is able to make another woman believe what she says. यहाँ चाहिँ के भनेको छ भने फेमस एक्ट्रेसेस आर क्लेभर. तिनीहरूले नि इजिली कसैलाई नि कन्भिन्स गर्न सक्छ एन्ड लाइक they have a different layer of a different personality within themselves which they show it to people. And that's it for the play. uh, Thank you.